Which of the following is a primary consumer in ecosystem? Ants and deers. In a food chain, man is primary as well as secondary consumer. Which of the following constitutes a food chain? Grass, goat and human. Correct statement. Energy flow in a biospheric ecosystem is unidirectional. Which the following terms describe not only the physical escape occupied by organism but also functional rule in a community organism? It is ecological niche. The concept of ecological niche was inoculated by Grinnells. In the ecosystem, the durable biogroup is called ecotone. A transitional area between two organisms is called ecotone. The transition zone between two distinct zones is called ecotone. The sequential chain in growth of field is succession. Tropical level includes green plants. The highest tropic level in an organism is obtained by omnivores. 10% law is related with transfer of energy as well as food from one tropical level to another. The amount of energy during transfer from one tropical level to another ecosystem decreases. The pyramid is an ecosystem always straight. Which the following act disturbs the ecological balance? Lumbering. Which the following the main causes of ecological balance in India? Deforestation. Not eco-friendly. The eucalyptus tree is not eco-friendly because it consumes 90 liters of water. Which of the following tree is considered to be environmental hazard? It is eucalyptus. Which of the following forest is known as lungs of planet Earth? Amazon rainforest. In the marine environment, the main primary producer are phytoplanktons. Ecology is a permanent economy is the slogan of which movement? Chipko movement. Chipko movement is related to plant conservation. Apico movement was headed by Pedurang Hedige. The unit to measure ecological footprint is global hectare. The minimum area of land required to completely sustain the life of person is called ecological footprint. In the grassland, tree does not replace the grass as part of ecological succession because of water limits and fire. Which is the following sequence of phases of biotic succession? Nudation, migration, eschesis, reaction and stabilization. This is the process. The number of organisms that can be supported by environment in a given area is known as carrying capacity. Which the following is largest ecosystem of Earth? It is biosphere. Surishnagar is in Jammu Kashmir. Tasmori Lake in Jammu Kashmir. Vembad is in Kerala. Ular Lake is in Jammu Kashmir. Nandur Mahaleshwar Bird Sanctuary is in Maharashtra. Beas Conservation System in Punjab. Keshopur Miani Community Reserve is in Punjab. Nangal Wildlife Sanctuary is in Punjab. Nawabganj Bird Sanctuary is in UP. Parvati Agra Bird Sanctuary